right, so I'm getting my lunch ready for work in the morning. My work day usually starts around 5:30 a.m. and I'm home around 3. So let me show you what I'm going to go ahead and have. So first thing I will have is my TEAMI tea. I have all of my my leaves in there already, so all I have to do is just put the hot water. I have a slice of lemon in there as well. So I usually drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. I love it, and it usually keeps me full until about like our lunchtime, which is around like 8:30, 9 o'clock. Around that time, I will have my coffee. So this is just the Starbucks cold brew blonde roast coffee. The iced coffee or whatever you could buy at like your local Target. So I have that in here, and then I've been really enjoying putting some of my Premier protein shake in there, and this is the caramel flavor. So this is going to be 2 points. And then I have a thing of blackberries for 0. And then in here I have 6 ounces of tilapia. Let me see if I can get it in a better light. 6 ounces of pan-seared tilapia with a ole tortilla for 1 point. This is 0. And then I have one of these Aldi brand pepper jack cheese spreads or whatever. It's like the Laughing Cow cheese, but way cheaper. And this is 1 point. So this whole lunch right here is 2 points. And then if for some reason, if I'm still hungry, I do just bring another Premier protein with me. Usually I will have it on my way home from work in the car. And then I usually have the tea in the morning, and then I make another one around 1 o'clock or so. That's usually our downtime in the hospital. I work in a hospital, so I kind of do in between like patient care. So whenever that is, like my downtime in the afternoon, I'll usually make me another one of these. So there you go. So I have 2 points right here, 0 for the fish, 1 for the tortilla, and 1 for the Laughing Cow cheese. 2 protein shakes are 5 points. They double. For 1, it's only 2. My coffee 0, and the fruit is 0. So there we go. And then when I get home, I will show you what I have. So I'm just getting home from work, and I need some coffee. It was a long, brutal day. So this right here is about a half a cup of the iced blonde roast coffee from Starbucks that you can just buy at like Target or whatnot. And it's 2 tablespoons of fat-free half and half with 30 grams of the skinny syrup, sugar-free vanilla. So this is a 1 point cup of coffee, and I'm going to sip on this and wait to get dinner ready. Alright guys, so for dinner we are having like chicken strips. You guys seen me make these before. These are the Louisiana seasoned panko breading. So the way I did it was I just added in all the, we did 75 grams of the breading, and then I just divided amongst the 10 strips that we have. So they're about 1 point each. We're cooking it right here in our Avalon Bay air fryer. I can link all this stuff below. So you can go ahead and get yourself one if you're interested, but I really like it. Roasting, I just cut up the sweet potato and I sprayed it with a little bit of cooking spray, and I seasoned it with salt, pepper, and garlic. I'm gonna have about 100 grams of those, and I think it's like 3 or 4 points. I'm not too sure, but all right. And then for dipping, we are going to use this G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce, 0 points for 2 tablespoons. So I will show you my dinner when it is all plated up. Alright guys, so here is dinner. The sweet potatoes aren't finished yet, so I probably will just go ahead and have those, you know, later on for a snack. So I'm going to go ahead and have 3 of these chicken strips. So they are 1 point each, so 3 points for those. And then I have 2 servings of the G. Hughes sugar-free, what is this? Barbecue sauce. And that is 1 point. So there you go. That's dinner for 4 points. This is my sweet potatoes. They're finally done. It is 140 grams of sweet potatoes with about a tablespoon of the reduced sugar ketchup, which is 0, and the sweet potatoes are 5. Alright guys, so for a snack, I am going to have one of these Kirkland protein bars. This is the chocolate chip cookie dough. These are 5 points. and I like them for like a sweet tooth. Right, guys, so it's the end of the night and I am going to have my tea. I've been really enjoying these teas. This is just the TEAMI tea, and this is my every other night, so it's my TEAMI colon tea. I like to sip on this while I'm laying down in bed relaxing after a long day. So what I do to make this is I go ahead and I take one of the little tea bags, it looks like that, and I leave it in the water, and I'm going to put my hot water in there for 3 minutes. I set a timer, and then I just take it out and I put my lid on and I just leave it at that. I put a little bit of stevia. I put 1 packet of stevia in here and I absolutely love it, and throughout the day I drink the skinny ones and I like it. So if you guys are interested in giving it a try, I will link my code right here on the screen. But yeah, that's about it. So it's the end of the day and I still have about 2 points left, but I'm full, guys. So I just went ahead and I'm calling it a day. Alright guys, so that was basically what I eat in the day when I work. So I do leave the house around 5:30 and I come back around 3. So my food is usually like a leftover from the night before. I don't really do like a meal prep for during the week because I usually cook every day. So the tilapia you did see me eat today was dinner from last night. And so since I do work in a hospital, I do not like to eat there because I just feel like there's a lot of this gross food and a lot of snacks, and I do work with a lot of women and they like to bake and I try not to eat there as well. So as you can see, it's a lot of quick foods. I do like those Premier protein shakes because they like hit like a sweet tooth. They're very easy, but they're very filling, and I do enjoy those. Especially I've been loving them in my coffee. So if you guys were kind of up in the air and if to try them with your coffee, I do the caramel and it tastes so good. So if you guys are up in the air, like I said, just go ahead and give it a try. They do sell like the 4 packs at Walmart if you didn't want to just go ahead and dedicate yourself to a whole case. Dinner was great. If you guys are interested in trying that recipe, I do have a link for it in like an air fryer video I have. I will link it up here in one of the eyes in the sky so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But as always, it's great. The sweet potatoes and everything like that, they're just staples. They're very easy. I always make sure I have like that G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce because it is so low in points, and also the reduced sugar ketchup just because that is also low in points. And I always end my night with tea. I just really enjoy it. Tonight, like I said, is the colon night, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sip on that and then probably edit this video and watch some TV with the husband. So anyways, if you guys do like these videos, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and please remember to subscribe. And what did you guys have for dinner? Let me know below. Alright guys, I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.